Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell at Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 12-inch by 24-inch pre-primed white canvas. Having some fun with my spatula, my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula as I prime. Because I can, the name of my first book on the Amazon link. This is possibly the best paint spreading tool known to man. No, it's the best paint spreading tool known to me. And this is Meeden black paint mixed with my regular recipe. And it is the blackest black I have encountered in my few 4 or 5 years of pouring acrylics. It's going to cover it pretty well in one coat. I could have left it. I liked the artwork. I really did. But I'm going to do an experiment with just black and white, at least to begin with, because I can. And most of my canvas is covered. I might use gold with the white, but I definitely am ready to experiment. And I'm going to use some Amsterdam black that has pre-stained wood conditioner added to it. I'm going to throw my spatula. Maybe I'll keep my spatula handy because it's black and white. But that's just one coat of that Meeden. And as you can see, it's pretty well covered. So I've got some Amsterdam black left over from earlier. Oh, I forgot to put my tool into the bucket. I've got a few tools. I might be interested in using some of those. I've got some Anita's white metallic that I'm going to put right into my shovel and take a chance. I think I'm going to start somewhere right out in the middle. Because I've had some success earlier today with some random sort of designs. And I did have this paint to use up. I might still tip that. I could. The slower I move, the more likely I am to drain the shovel. This is going to be a fun experiment, I can tell you. I think I have just about enough. I'd like to get more of that paint to come out of that shovel, to tell you the truth. I'd actually love to just play with the shovel like that, because I can. That's the name of my first book next to my second book, and they're both on the Amazon link. The Amazon link is included on the link tree. That's very cool. Oh boy, my desire to swipe is going out the window as I play with my black and white. I could be very happy just calling this good. That'd be a nice graphic design right there. Well, that's interesting. Let me grab a little bit of paint with my spatula. Throw a few... Oop, that's a lump of something I don't want in there. Come here, thing. Out you go. See, even no matter what I do now at this point, I can still swipe. You can pretty much always still swipe. But it is kind of fun to just mark make, I'd say. it doesn't make me want to stop the idea of using some gold and swiping. But it might be cool either way. And I definitely like this. Let me tip that, get some of that paint moving, see what happens. I might stop. I really could. That's a fun black and white. Alright, so what I'm going to do, in spite of myself, is take my little tiny tool, which is nothing more than a piece of acetate applied to a skewer. With a piece of clear duct tape, and then pulled very gently, attempting to float. Not doing a very good job of floating though. Still having a good time, still making a graphic design. Thinking about maybe trying to swivel a circle. No, that didn't work. But I am having fun. A lot of fun, actually. This could stop at any moment because I sometimes get inspired by black and white. I have a lot of paint there. I'm thinking it might be kind of cool to let that drip right down. Because I can. No gold. I want that to merge with that mark right there. And if I had some white to dip into, I'm losing my background wetness. Maybe a heavier layer next time. Just fun and fantastic. Fantastical. And weird. Weird can be good. I want some of that white over here. Because I can. It's a good enough reason to make a really obnoxious, out there, wild, crazy, strange. Let's put a little bit of paint on there and see what happens. If paint will come out. Hey, thank you. I got some cool cells. Now I'm just having officially too much fun. Making marks, which are facilitated by that black layer of paint down there. I liked it better before, but I might like it better after. It's not too late to swipe, you know. Could add gold. Or I could just keep going nuts with my little strange tool. I call it a hoe, but I resist saying that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is add some white. Some gold down the middle. Grab my swipe card. Dip it in some Amsterdam black. Leave all the weird marks on the canvas that were there already. And use it as a backdrop for something even cooler. We hope. We hope. It'll be different, that's for sure. I want some more gold there. And I guess I'm going to give myself permission to go here too. Oh, I kind of like those marks though. I'm not sure about this yet, but I'm close. So it'll just be a very strange picture. I've got some gold, black, and white in my shovel. And no reason not to use it. And there's my spatula. So it's a bizarre one. Every once in a while I do something very bizarre. For the fun of it. Because I can. We are well aware of that about me. So what else do I want to do? Anything? Nothing else is moving very fast. Kind of want some black in there, to tell you the truth. It's very tempting. Just following my instincts. Maybe a little more white. And call it good, or very close to being good. I'm working on it. I have a straw. Do I want to use a straw? That's the question. I don't. I do like playing with the new little tools I made up that I really don't know how to use very well yet. This one is attached to a chopstick. When it comes to these things, I'm all about the texture. And since it's paint pouring, I can tip and get a different effect. I could probably also blow into that. Or I could use my airbrush if it were on. Let's see if it's on. No, it's not. If I can plug it in quick enough, we can have it on. Whoops. That was short-lived. I'm sure before I'm done it'll rattle something right off that table too. Actually, I like it when that happens. Well, that was a lot of fun, actually. I am not sure where this should go, but I am pretty sure that we're almost done, and I should tell you guys I have 93,000 subscribers, a monthly drawing that you can find the prizes for on the end screen video, which is an exhibition video. I don't think a few spirals will hurt anything at all. And wow, no idea what that is. Looks like an undersea scape to me, but lots of them do. But it was fun. And I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourself. Check out some of my 19 lists of 100 videos. And know that they're also available by topic and genre. If you need a question answered, please ask me. If you need a link, just ask me. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. My Linktree has my Amazon link, where if you shop there, it's no cost to you and it helps me out, and I really appreciate it. My 2 books are there. Paint's there. The Omelette Turning Flip and Fold Spatula you saw early on is there. This is kind of wild and crazy. Look on the end screen video for the exhibition video, and you will find out that if you use PayPal or Patreon, I remember my timer went off a minute early. If you use PayPal or Patreon, you'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing. Please give me a thumbs up. When you like my videos, you help me out. When you share my videos, you help me out. When you watch them longer, you're the most assistance of all. Let's see. My email address is right below the video, and inquiring about the purchase of an artwork requires only the title of the artwork or the file number with the hashtag. Don't need the title. Just need the hashtag and the file number. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links are on my Linktree.